Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a lead code which is 3244 snake in a matrix. So here given a n which is n cross n grid and there is given a command. You just have to follow this command and move the snakes. Okay, so initially the snake is at the 0th position and you just have to follow the command. First command is right. Here is an example that first you have to move the right and then down. Okay, so from 0 you will move 1 and after that you just have to move the down. So you after 1 you just have to move the 3. So you just have to return the command you just have to return the value at which the snake is there after following the commands. Okay, so let's do this question. First you have to create the two int values, int I equals to 0 and j equals to 0, and then traverse through the vector for auto it commands. For auto it commands, if commands you have to check if it is equals to up, then you just have to move I minus minus. Okay, and else if it is equals to down, then you just have to move I plus plus. Okay, because the row will automatically plus. And else if it is equals to left, then you have to do j minus minus. Else if it is equals to right, then you have to do j plus plus. Okay, j plus plus. And to find that index, that where is the snake, you have to return I into n, which is grid size, and plus j. Okay, let's run this code, whether it's run properly or not. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit it. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching.